Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to easily implement Game Center using our Sonar Cocos helper. So this is for iOS. If you want it for Android, you're going to need to use something else instead of Game Center like Google Play. So we have a video for that, so check that out if that's of any interest to you. So you want to go to iTunes Connect. Once you've created the app, you want to go to Game Center. You want to enable for single game. It's enabled. If you want to disable it for whatever reason, you can just click the enabled button right here. I think that's a little confusing. I think it should be called disable Game Center, but either way, that's what you need to do if you need to disable it. Add a leaderboard. We're going to show you adding a leaderboard and achievement as well. Show both. So single leaderboard. Reference name, this is just what appears on iTunes Connect. So I'm just going to put leaderboard 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. The leaderboard ID is unique and what you're going to be referencing in code. So bear that in mind. So I'm just going to put test underscore leaderboard underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Score format, I'm going to be using an integer. So score submission type is the best score we want. Sort order high to low, so highest is first. And then you can add an optional score range. So if you didn't want your score to accidentally be submitted below 1, so 0 or less, then you can put a minimum range of 1, and maybe the highest score you can get is 100, but we're going to leave that blank for now. You should also do checking in code as well, but this is just an extra form of check. And just add a language. You need to add 1 at the bare minimum, so I'm going to add English. I'm just going to put leaderboard English, choose format type. I'm going to use the comma one, the format suffix. So I'm just going to say point. So depending on what you're earning in the game will depend what you put here, and then plural as well. So if you were to just have 1, it would be point. If you were to have multiple, it would be points. Then you can add an optional image. We're not going to for now, so just click save again. So we have our leaderboard ID. Again, this is the ID that we'll be using in code. Gonna add a single achievement. So again, the reference name is just something that appears on iTunes Connect. So I'm just going to put achievement underscore sonar test 1, 2, achievement ID. This is what you're referencing in code. So I'm going to put sonar underscore test underscore achievement underscore 1 point value. You have a maximum of 1,000 points per game, and each achievement can have a maximum of 100 points. I'm just going to put 50. Hidden. If it's hidden, then the user doesn't know what you need to do for that achievement. If it's not hidden, you can see the image, you can see what it's called and what is required to unlock it. And achievable more than once. If you put achievable more than once, it basically allows you to challenge your friends. So I always like doing this, but again, if you don't want to, just click no. Click add language, and for this I'm going to put English. The title, I'm just going to put English achievement 1. Pre-earned description, this is what appears before the user earned it. So I'm going to say, can you earn this? And then earned description, well done. And for achievement, you have to have an image, and it has to be 512 by 512. I've got one right here. Obviously, you probably want something that looks better than that, but this is just a quick test. Click save. And now we have our leaderboard ID and achievement ID. If you want to add more achievements or a leaderboard, you can easily do so. And now we're ready to dive into code. So let's open up our project. So what we're going to do, first of all, is go to our root project right here, go to build phases, and we need to add a couple of frameworks. We need to add gamekit.framework. We need to add social.framework. And we're done for frameworks now. Let's go to capabilities. You want to enable Game Center. So it's just going to get some information for my app ID. If you go here and you enable it, and it says add the game key to your info plist file, and there's an X next to it, there'll be a button that says fix issue. You just click that, choose your iTunes Connect account, and you're all done. Just bear that in mind if that occurs. And now we want to go to schsettings.h, enable Game Center right here. And now we're all set up, we can actually start using Game Center. So if we go to our scene, first of all, what you need to do is sign the user in. To do so is really easy. Just do Sonar Cocos helper Game Center sign in. And what we're going to do is, when the user clicks the close button, instead of closing, we're going to show the leaderboards. Or we'll show achievements first and then we'll show leaderboards. So let's run this in our simulator. So now that our application has loaded, it's just asking us to basically sign into Game Center. So I'm just gonna sign in. Oop, enter the wrong password. Okay, so it says welcome back, Sonar system, sandbox, that's just because it's testing mode. And if I click this button, the achievements pop up and it says English achievement 1, as you can see, got a question mark, can you earn this? And if I click it, it just pops up and I can share this with friends. From here, I can go to leaderboards as well. But if I were to change this to show leaderboard and now run this in my simulator, and click this, it opens up the leaderboard tab instead. But again, you can just go straight to achievements if you want to, and once you're done, just click done and well, it disappears. So let's actually show you how to unlock some achievements. So what we're going to do is unlock an achievement straight away. So Game Center, you can reset player achievements as well. So if you want a reset button so the player can try earning those achievements again, or for yourself as well while you're testing, if you want to see if you can earn those achievements, maybe you've changed some of the game logic. So first of all, I'm going to do unlock achievement. There's two methods, because you can actually have incremental achievements. So if you were to have 10 levels in a game and you wanted to unlock an achievement once all 10 levels were complete, you could increment it, so 10% every single time, and once you get to 100%, the user unlocks that achievement. But if you don't specify a percent, then what happens, it just unlocks the entirety of the achievement, aka 100%. We're just going to be dealing with this, but it's pretty simple to use this one as well. So unlock achievement, you need to put the achievement ID, and this is right here. This one, yeah. Gonna copy and paste that. And now if I run this in my simulator, when the game launches, you'll sign in and unlock an achievement for me. There you go, English achievement 1, well done. And if I click on this button, I can just go to achievements. So the icons appeared, it says English achievement 1, I've unlocked 50 points, and instead of saying can you earn this, it says well done now. And if I click on it, it shows the amount of points I earned and when I earned it. So if I click back, done. Now we're going to show you how to submit a score. Again, it's really simple with our helper. You want to do submit score. The score I'm going to submit is 400. And for the leaderboard ID, I'm going to get it from iTunes Connect. It's this one right here. So let's run this in the simulator. So it's signed me in. And let's just wait a few seconds for it to properly submit. It should be submitting now. If I click this button, still nothing at the moment. You know what I'm actually going to do instead of submitting it there, because maybe he just didn't have enough time to submit it after signing in. What I mean is maybe it didn't sign in because it takes a little while to sign in. I want to do it when I click the button. Click this button. That hasn't appeared, but what we're going to do is open it again. There we go, it has appeared. Again, it's just doing this simply because I don't have more methods. You generally wouldn't be submitting scores, signing in and doing leaderboards all together. You would sign in maybe on the main menu, play the game, submit the score, then maybe on a different screen show the leaderboard. So it all works, it's just I don't have many functions. So you can change this to today, this time, I mean this week or time, but again that's just generic stuff. That's nothing that we've done. That's, well, something that Apple's done. So you can see the achievements as well. So that's how you use Game Center with our Sonar Cocos helper. There'll be more functionality coming to Game Center and the Sonar Cocos helper. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. The link will be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.